Drip, drop, drip, drop.
This is my process for a color study. The final painting is going to be called Bird Bath. As you know, I'm doing a series on bird cliches. A color study for me is just a quick painting, getting some basic color shapes on the canvas just to see the idea. I kind of have a vague idea in my head of what I want things to look like, but putting the paint on canvas helps me to figure out what ideas work and what ideas don't. I start color studies generally on masonite board or canvas. I like masonite because it's easy to stay loose on masonite. Every brush stroke shows, and that's important because you're just getting the basic shapes up there. I'm going to spend probably about a month on the final image, so it's kind of nice to dip your foot in the pool, to know what you're getting into in a way by doing these color studies. But at the same time, I like to stay loose because you don't want to be painting the same painting twice.
From the one I love.
As I was painting this, I realized what actually drew me to this image in the first place, aside from just the basic idea of the girl in the rain, was the pattern on her dress. I was thinking I was going to cover it up with like a yellow classic raincoat, like Singing in the Rain style, but after my model put on this amazing dress, I decided the raincoat in my final image is gonna have to be see-through, so we can still see this awesome pattern. My favorite part of the painting is her little face. You can see part of my reference photo too on the right.
Makes my baby cry, 'cause she's gotta stay inside. Gotta stay inside. I just hope and pray.
So once you have the basic shapes in the background, then you can start putting the details in, and before you know it, you got a scene.
'Cause I wanna see my girl. Wanna see my girl.
This painting took about 3 hours. It's real small, it's 8 by 10. Here's the finished color study. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and I know what I can do differently on the final image. To see more of my work, visit my website, melanieflorio.com. Bye for now.